Yep, Bafethu. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bafethu. I will disagree, Bafethu, with what Hugo Bruce just said today about Uthembi Nkosi Lodge, Bafethu. If you are a South African, you would never allow umuntu asho so to someone who say, Bafethu, it's either kunalento ukuthi ama-player adlalile i-Pirates bawa-hype abomfukeng abobani bani sengiyayibona lento le. Abombokazi, it's not like ama-star, they are hyped. Ubheke once basuka wonke lama-player engikubalela ngawo, once asuka ku-Pirates in which asuke ngendlela lo wangasathani, angeke aphinde adlalele esquadini. They would never badlale esquadini. Makathi Hugo Bruce umbizile uLotchy asadlalela i-Pirates. Yazi uthini? Asadlalela i-Pirates azange asinceda nganex. Hamba ubheka le team yaka Hugo Bruce le benothembi Nkosi Lodge. Is the same team le benganama-player we-Sundowns. Hugo Bruce makafika la eSouth Africa bekangawafuni nama-player we-Sundowns. You can still remember. Bekamane aphika 2 maceda afaka abangani bakhe abonye-Ikomobi. Bekangabafaki ama-player we-Sundowns. Uzowafaka ama-player we-Sundowns because awine le cup leya yawina uRhulani Mokwena le yabo 75 million. That's when awalanda ama-player we-Sundowns. You can check, abantu bashesha bayakhohlwa. ULodge makamselector wamselector nalama-player angasekho manje. And wonke lama-player bewanoLodge kuBafana Bafana. Most awaperformi as uLodge manje. So Hugo Bruce angazi ukuthi uzama ukukhavela bani. We can see thina siyazi. Even noLodge uyazi ukuthi why angadlali kuBafana Bafana. Same thing le yenzeka kuSaleng yile yenzeka kuLodge. Ngicabanga ngathi anazi nizokhohlisa abantu abangazi. Thina siyazi, siphila nabo aboLodge, siyakhuluma nabo Saleng ukuthi noma bangayenza kahle njani, they will never play for iBafana Bafana because kunomuntu oyi-gatekeeper lapha. Sinama-gatekeeper, cabanga sesinama-football mafia eSouth Africa. Abo-Hugo Bruce nabo hhayi ukuthi bayambhadala ukuthi asilekte le scheme le. Seyacaca lento ukuthi bayambhadala emasayidini ukuthi certain players must not be called ku-national team. You cannot just talk reckless ngomunye umntwana. Kabuhlungu kanje ukuthi noma angayenzani angeke usambize. Damn. I hope uHugo Bruce uwine i-AFCON because makangayiwini naye uyahamba la.